The youngest elf, Enrique, finished his notes on programs for youth that would get their boats afloat. Now, Valentino stepped up for the final review, to meet with Duane Clark, to see WIOA through. Duane, now in the role of advisor and guide, spoke of WIOA's goals, with nothing to hide. The WIOA Adult Program is meant for those near, who need new direction, making the path clear. It's about getting training that leads to a career, in high-demand sectors, removing all fear. Valentino asked, what services are key? The training components, please explain them to me. Duane detailed the steps, from assessment to test, to find the right career that fit Valentino best. It all starts with career services, the guidance we give, to make sure you understand where your talents can live. We offer training vouchers, the ITAs so grand, to pay for the schooling in this Craven Pamlico land. You can get certifications or even an AAS degree in fields like HVAC or in advanced manufacturing, you see. He stressed the importance of eligible training providers. We use only schools that are proven deciders of success for our workers, the best in the state, so your investment in learning will never deflate. Valentino quickly noted the focus on skill, so it's direct training that helps pay the bill. You fund the tuition for jobs that are needed? Duane nodded, knowing his message was heeded. The goal is the job, and the training's the route, a successful wage that is final and absolute. He listed the elements, each vital and true, like mentoring support, which is often brand new. We help with career awareness and guide your next step. We offer leadership skills, which gives you great prep. Enrique, we even provide financial literacy bright, to manage your savings and funds done just right. And all services wrap with a follow-up call, to ensure that you thrive after standing up tall.